Hi everyone, this is Bernie, your Revit Blaster here at Printer Incorporated, bringing you the TNT for Revit users. Tips and tricks. This video will probably be about 3.5 minutes long. I just want to show you some things with the Spacebar. The Spacebar is a very handy tool. You can rotate things with it, you can flip things with it. Let me show you what happens in a ceiling. I'm in a ceiling plan. I want to put a ceiling in this room. I'm not going to use the automatic ceiling tool. I'm going to use sketching because I would like to put a 2-foot soffit around, a drywall soffit around this room. So I'm going to pick rectangle. And I go to this corner. I'm going to select one corner and then the other. When I do, oh, I didn't do the offset. Look, it's right in there. But if I go up here and tell the offset, I want it to be at 2 feet. See, it goes to the outside. I would normally test this like this and see that it's on to the outside of the room. And then I would run up here and take my cursor in front of the 2 and put a negative sign, negative 2 feet. But I don't have to do that anymore. Autodesk fixed it. I'm bringing my cursor down to the corner and I'm going to hit the space bar. It flipped it. Awesome tool. It's at 8 feet high, 2x2. Hit my checkbox and I'm there. Not very big in the room, but you get the idea. Use the space bar to flip it while you're in the sketch mode. Now the other thing I wanted to show you is on level 1. I'm going to delete that little cabinet. I'm going to show you. I'm going to go to the architecture tab, go to the build panel, go to component. There's a base cabinet. I want to put the base cabinet on the side wall. But notice when you select and you put a base cabinet in, these flip tools show where the front is. The front is here. But I want the front to be along the side, parallel to this wall on the side. So let me do that again. I bring it in here. I see the rotation, but I want to rotate it 90 degrees. Let me hit the space bar. There it is. Awesome. Boom. There they are out in front. There they are out in front. There's the front parallel with this wall. So that's the other nice thing about the space bar. Helps you rotate items when you put them in. I'm going to get rid of this door. And I'm going to show you on doors, it will flip the door for where the knob is, or the hinge, whatever you want to talk about. We don't like the knob in the corner, so we flip the door, keep the knob outside of the corner, and flip it with the space bar. Pretty handy, right? Awesome. So use that space bar as you're inserting Revit families into your model. You don't have to do a 2-step process, like put it in and then select the door, flip it again. You don't have to do all that. Just do it right as you insert. Helps you model faster, draw faster. It's an awesome tool. Hope this helps you in what you're doing, what you're modeling. And if you have any questions or concerns you would like to share with me, please contact us at Printer Incorporated, printerstat.com. Be great to see you there. Have a great day.